Hello students, today I want to show you how you can evaluate definite integrals by Casio calculator, trigonometric, logarithm, and the ordinary integrals. Okay, first of all, we have to reset our calculator from shift 9, 3, reset all yes, and then I see. Now our calculator is reset. Let us solve this problem with this integral, which is answer 6. Put integral symbol, then bracket 2 plus x. To apply x or to put x, you have to put this red symbol. So you have to put alpha before, then x, and close the bracket. Put the boundary from 0 to 2. Evaluate it equal to 6. Now this problem is the same. I want to show you the difference one. This one also, just instead of you can use x. Let's solve this one. Bracket 1 minus u. Instead you use x. So alpha x, close the bracket, multiply square root of u. Square root of u, you use x. And boundary from 0 to from 1 to 4. Evaluate. You see the answer is minus 116 over 15. The same. Then what's more, let's solve this logarithm. For this one, integral symbol ln x square alpha x square plus 1 dx. Okay, from 0 to 1. Boundary from 0 to 1. 0 to 1. It equal to 0.26394. Let's evaluate the answer to get the same result, 0.2639. Okay, I see. That is the answer. Ln 2 plus 0.5 pi. Shift, you have to put shift then pi. Minus 2. 0.2639. So it means our result is right. Let us find integral for this trigonometric function. For trigonometric function, you have to be sure that you convert this degree to radian. So shift mod. Now we have degree mod. You have to change it to radian. So put 4. You see, from D change it to R, radian. Okay, then input integral symbol sine 0.5 t. Instead of t, you can use x. So alpha x, close the bracket, put the boundary from 0 to 2 pi. Shift pi. Evaluate. We got the same result. In the next tutorials, I use Casio for interpolation and to multiply matrices, and also to use table, which all save too much time for you. Please subscribe our channel and don't miss the next tutorials.